Hi, and welcome to Lesson 5 of Chained Products for WooCommerce displaying and customizing chained products. In this video about chained products, I will show you how to display them on product pages, customize shortcodes, manage visibility in the cart and checkout, and optimize the display for a better user experience. Let's get started. First, let's display chained products on the product page. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Products and click on All Products. Now edit a chained product. Scroll to Product Data to ensure that it's a chained product. Click on Linked Products. Now as you can see, a product has been added to the chained product field. It's a chained product. Now scroll up to the product description. Once you are in the product description, add a shortcode. This will show all the chained products linked to this product directly on the product page. Once the shortcode has been added, click on the Update button. Now click on View Product. Once you are on the product page, scroll down to the product description. As you can see, the chained product is added to the product description. Now in your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Select the Products tab. Click on Chained Products under the Products tab. Here you can choose whether to show chained products in the cart or checkout. Check this box if you want to show the products. If you want to hide the items in the cart and checkout, disable this option. This keeps the cart clean and only shows the main product. Once the changes are made, click on Save Changes. In order to optimize your product display, use clear images and descriptive product names. Grid style works best for visual products, while list style is ideal for detailed descriptions. That's how you display and customize chained products. Use shortcodes effectively, manage cart visibility, and optimize your pages for the best results. Well, that ends our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.